Welcome to our YouTube channel.
We are going to show you how to do standard multiplication.
By 3 by 3 digit numbers.
Today we are going to do 354.
Multiplied by 762.
First we will start by multiplying 4 times 2.
And then we will multiply 5 times 2.
And because it is a multiple of 10, we will put a 0 here.
And a 1 here.
Then we will multiply 2 times 3, which is 6.
But because it's in the hundreds place, we'll take the 10 we added to the hundreds place.
And add it to the 6, making it 7.
Then we cross out the 1.
Now we put a 7 here.
We have finished multiplying with 2, so we cross it out.
Because we are multiplying with 60,
we put 0 here as a placeholder.
Now we multiply 4 times 6.
We put a 2 above the tens place and a 4 in the tens place.
Next, we multiply 5 times 6.
And just like 10, 30 is a multiple of 10.
Which means we put a 3 above the hundreds place.
And because the 2 is above the tens place,
we put a 2 instead of a 0.
Finally, we do 3 times 6, which is 18.
And add the 3 that is above the hundreds place,
which is 21.
We have 2 placeholders, which are 0.
Now we multiply 7 times 4, which is 28.
So we put the 2 above the tens place.
Next, we do 7 times 5, which is 35.
And we add the 2 from 28 to get 37.
Now we multiply the 3 and 7 to get 21.
And we add the 3 and get 24.
Now we add all those numbers.
Make sure to pause the video to solve it for yourself.
And you should get 269,748. Bye.